everyone, and welcome back to Knowledge on Ears. Today I'm going to be building a Formula 1 inspired reaction tester to actually test my reaction time. You might have seen a couple of these reaction testers online, but today I'm going to physically be building a real version of this. So let's get straight into it. First off, you need a microcontroller, of course. So in this case, I'm using the Arduino Uno. You also need a 4-digit 7-segment display to display your reaction time. And you also need 5 LEDs. They can be any color, but in this case, I'm using red LEDs to match the F1 theme. And you also need a bunch of jumper wires, of course, and you need 220 ohm resistors to actually make sure your LEDs and your 7-segment display does not burn out. And lastly, you need a push button to actually measure your reaction time. So once the wiring is done, now you can take a look at the entire project. So every single LED is connected to the power rail, and then it's connected to a 220 ohm resistor before it goes to ground. Also, each of the main segments of the 4-digit 7-segment display is also connected to a 220 ohm resistor, and then it connects to the Arduino. For more detailed information about 4-digit 7-segment displays, feel free to go check out my other video. And lastly, we have the push button, which is connected to a digital pin on the Arduino, and then to ground. So after writing our program in the Arduino IDE, let's actually check out how this works. So just like an actual F1 race, slowly each of the LEDs turn on, and once they're all turned on, at some point they all turn off. So the whole point of the project is to click the push button the moment it turns off to measure your reaction time. So you can see I had a bunch of different attempts, but my best attempt was 0.14 seconds. Can you beat my score? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button because it really helps me keep going and making new videos. See you all next time. Bye!